Did we do this problem? Did I give any homework or no? Gave. Homework is a classwork now? Is a homework only? Huh? What happened? Right. Today's class will start with variations in assignment problem. But before to that, can we just recall the last class? What we have done in assignment? What did I say about assignment? Assignment is a special case of transportation problem where what do we do? The objective function is to assign the number of destination at minimum cost or at maximum profit. So here we talk about minimization and maximization. Minimization is cost, maximization is profit, sales, all that, right? So managerial applications of assignment problem we have seen, and we talked about the various methods of solving. But the method what we apply, or the method which is there in our syllabus also, is Hungarian method, right? So then we talked about a problem. What are the different steps in solving assignment problem, students? First is what we should do first. Check whether it's a balanced problem or not. Once it is done, the first step is row minimization. What do we do in row minimization? We try to pick up the least number in a row and try to subtract that number with all other numbers in that particular row. Then we go ahead with we go ahead with the next row. Like that we complete all the rows. What we do after that? We go by column minimization. Column minimization, again we try to identify the minimum number and subtract that minimum number with all other numbers in the column, and we continue till the last column. Suppose in a column you have 0 as minimum number, then there will be no change in the values. Once it is done, then what we do? We do circling or boxing or assigning, we say. The condition for it is always you should start with the first row, and if at all, check the number of zeros. If there are multiple zeros, skip it, go to the next. Like that you try to complete all the iterations. Suppose if at all, if still there are certain rows with zeros, multiple zeros, then we should change our strategy to columns, right? So once column is done, we check whether we got an answer. How do you know that you got an answer? Each row and column should have only single circle assignment, then only it is solved. Otherwise, if it is not solved, what do? We draw lines. What is the strategy for drawing the lines? First, we need to check the number of rows and number of columns, -1. So then we draw the lines. The next strategy, what I told you for drawing the lines, is we need to cover all the zeros. So in a row or column, wherever you have maximum zeros, try to cancel that first, right? So the number of lines what you draw, sometime if it is less than the rows plus columns, rows or columns -1 is also okay. Suppose you have 5 rows and 5 columns, 4 lines we need to draw. Suppose in 2 lines if you are able to cover, it's okay, but it should not be more than 4, right? And once it is done, what is the last step, students? Cost calculation. So these were few things which I thought I'll revise before we start. And next, as I said, this also, variations also can be a theory question in the exam. What are the special cases do you find in assignment problem? Now what he'll do, we would have done a simple problem now by applying Hungarian method. Before we move out, there is again an important note what we have noted down. What are the conditions for applying Hungarian method? The problem should be in you have noted down this point. The problem should be in when do we apply Hungarian method? The problem should be in what case? Minimization case. Understood? So the problem should be in minimization case only to apply Hungarian method. I think you have noted down on the last page. You can check it. Then what are the special cases? Here what he do is, today we will talk about variations. The speciality of these variations is he may mix up two or more variations in one particular problem. If there could be a case where he may combine more than two or three also, the problem will become a bit tough as the variations increases. But for us, it's not a problem at all. Easily we'll take up. So what are the other variations apart from minimization? Maximization case is one, unbalanced case, assignment with multiple optimal solution, restricted prohibited entry, and traveling salesman problem, right? So I think I gave you an assignment. If I'm not wrong, I said this would be a good example for multiple optimal, right? So don't worry, we'll go step by step. So today, what would be the first topic for today, students? In assignment, we'll talk about maximization case. Okay. Now, what we did is minimization case. Today we are talking about opposite, maximization. First of all, how do you identify that the problem is in maximization case? There should be some, either he'll specify, or just by looking at the technical words, you should be able to make out that the problem is in maximization case. For example, in the question, if he says profits, maximization, sales, maximization. So generally he gives this one of these two words, need not to worry. Now let us talk about what is maximization case. The assignment problem where the objective function is to maximization of profit, revenues, returns, sales. As I said, profits and sales are the two words which have generally got repeated. So extreme cases he may talk about revenues, returns and all. See, this I have written here only. Procedure also. See, Hungarian method can be used to obtain assignment after converting the maximization case to minimization case. In the sense, before you do row minima, column minima and all, what is the first requisite, students? The problem which is the matrix which is in maximization case, first of all you need to convert that into minimization case. How do you convert? There's a procedure for it. What is the procedure? In the total matrix, in the question whatever we give, select the largest number, largest element or largest number, and subtract that number with all the numbers in the matrix. What did I say, students? In the total matrix, in the question, see or select the highest number, and you need to subtract that highest number with all other numbers in the matrix. So the matrix what you get now, the resultant matrix or the answer what you get, that from there you will apply minimization case. Have you understood? So remaining steps are same like your Hungarian method, right? Row minima, column minima and all. So shall we pick up a problem now? Right. First look at the question, students. Suppose I cover this word. I have written maximization case, but let us say I don't. Can you tell me how do you identify that it's a, what word made you to understand profit? Got it? No? Profit per day. Like this you should be able to make out in the exam, right? Now the theory part you can skip, just take the matrix. So shall we work out on this now? Take this matrix, heading you write maximization case. Do you have any session after this? At what time? 3:30. Okay. Yeah, which is the highest number in the matrix, students? So what will you do now? Subtract 16 with all the numbers and make a matrix. Done. Cross check the answer. 0625 2511 1134 3421. From here onwards, you continue with minimization. Row minima, column minima, matrix. Perfect. $61. Good. Take down the next question in case if you have done. Unbalanced case. And students, by default, you should know all these variations. Maximization, unbalanced, restricted prohibited entry, or conditional, we say, traveling salesman problem, and problem with multiple optimal solution, right? How do you convert unbalanced to balanced? What is less here, row or column? Row. So what will you do now? Add F and make all the values as 0. But somebody said row also. Previous problem 61. Is there anyone who didn't get the previous problem? You can come back. Column minimization will be same, right? But even then you have to write this step. Hmm? This is other problem. This is not the same. Next problem. You got the answer? How much is it? 61. 55 వచ్చింది ఆయనకు. First one you complete. Oh, then after that this is the next one. Unbalanced you didn't do, no? This is unbalanced. That was different one. Maximization and unbalanced. I didn't get you. Last one? How come? No, see here the problem is unbalanced with minimization. I didn't say maximization, no? No, I have written very clearly unbalanced and minimization case. Then? Let it be zeros. You don't subtract, leave it as it is. 0, even if you are subtracting with something else, the answer would be 0. No, he has done maximization, right? That is wrong. You have to read the question well. In the next problem, we'll do that variation also, don't worry. You attended last class, no? So, can you do this unbalanced and minimization? Same method. We did maximization, but you have missed out that. Maybe next problem, I'll explain it again. You do this now. So, you know the procedure for balancing it. How do you know that it's an unbalanced problem now? How do you check whether it's a balanced or not? We need to check what? Matrix mein what will you check? Number of? Is it same? What is less? Rows. So what should I add? Row. I have to add row, call it as F, and then make all the values as 0. Then the matrix will be balanced. From there, row minima, column minima, all that you do till you get the answer. Do it. So what are the variations now? Unbalanced and minimization. The answer may take multiple steps for this problem. Hmm? First one వచ్చిందా మీకు? You've done 61. What happened? Only with one problem you are doing away the class. Not getting? If you have any doubt, come back to me. I'll help you out. Finish? Come. Shall we do it on board? Okay. Yeah. So first of all, it's an unbalanced problem. We balance it by adding f and all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Done? This step you would have done. Then row minimization. Okay? Answers are same? No? Yes. Then column minimization. Right? Then the one which I have made in a different color, it means that they are selections. Okay? It is, this is selected, this is selected, this is this one, this one. And the one which is with red mark is crossed. Same. All of them have got the same. Right? From here onwards, there would have been a problem. Right? So let us work on this. So what we should do now, first of all, check how many rows and columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many lines can I draw? Maximum 5. Less than 5, maximum 5. So first line 1. Which one should we make? 2. 1. Column 1. 2 lines are done. A, or shall we do 3? Done. E. You can draw in any manner, no problem. So what will cancel now? Okay. Then what did I say, students? Wherever it is intersection, add +1, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. That's all. And out of the open numbers, which is the least number? 5 kada? Where is, yeah, 4 is the minimum. So subtract this 4 with all other open numbers only. And at the point of intersection, +1. So the resultant matrix now, we'll draw it here. New matrix. Then where did you do mistake then? Job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4. Tell the values now. 9, 3, 15, 17 minus 4, 13, 11 minus 4, 16, 3. One, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Then let us see the circling part. First row, how many zeros? 1. Can I select? Then scan it in J6. If there are zeros, cancel it. I did. Go to the next one. I can select confidently, scan it in J1 and cross this fellow. Go to C row, 2 zeros, skip. Go to D, skip. E, only 1, cancel this. Go to F, skip. Again you come from the beginning, check if there are any zeros. No, 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 no. So it means that all the strategies are done now. I should change my strategy to column. So first one is done. Second one, there's a single zero. Select it and check in F row, cancel it. Go to J3, select and cancel it. See, did you get an answer? No. Why? D and J5. Am I right? J5 also doesn't have. So again we should revise. So this time I'll pick up some other color. 5 lines again. 1. Then second line. J1. J5. 3 lines are done. Yeah, we'll do that. Even I was planning the same thing. Amma. If I touch, everything will go. That's a problem with this tab. Okay. C will. Array. Raat dintlo. You don't get it. That's the problem in this. The problem in this tab is that only. You don't have an option of undoing. Now I don't even remember the numbers. So this time we'll be cautious while cancelling. This is C. Okay, let me go back. C low values. C is 16 and 9 0 6 0 8. Okay, no? Okay. We'll draw red lines. 1. Next. C will cancel. For time being, I'll put the tick marks. 1, 2. Then J4 and J6, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. J4 ante ennaithe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, J4 also. It's okay, no? Now I'll draw 1, 2, 3. No, I'm just checking the numbers. Okay, array. Okay. Where do we draw? Yeah, there's a place here. Yeah, make it fast. First one 9. Minimum number is 3 kada. 0, 12, 25, 20, 0, 0, 10, 28, 4, 9. That was 1 earlier, no? So 1, 17, 9, 0, 6, 0, 9. D 0, 8, 8 kadu, 9, 9, 1, 7. This is, we have drawn line for this also, no? No, no. So 7, 8. Elo 4, 10, 9, 0, 12, 6. Last one 2, 0, 1, 0. J5 we cancelled, no? 1, no, 0. Last one 1. Better you note down these values. Okay, let us circle it and then first one skip, second one select, cross it. This time also you will not get the answer. How do you know this? D, yes, just by looking at that you can understand. Next one 2 0 skip, gone, select, cross, again come from the beginning, no, 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 and there are 2 zeros, no. So column wise, first one no, second one also no, third one I think you can select, cross it, fourth no, fifth no, sixth yes, cancel it. And if you come from the beginning, this fellow will get selected. And cancel this. Did you get an answer? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. D and J5 again. So what we should do? Draw the lines. So now I'll be a bit careful. 55. How many steps? 2 steps. Maybe this time we'll get the answer. ఏమో చూద్దాం. So F, what else will take? A, J5, 3 lines are done. What else, students? J4 and one is here. 2 zeros kada. Which one should we take? I'm just looking out. C will cancel. Two lines are done. A also will cancel. 3. J4, J1. J4, J1. Can you make a revised matrix and see now for this? I'll not take a risk of doing it on the board. The values are 10, 0, 12, 26, 20, 0, 0, 9, 27, 4, 8, 0, 18, 9, 0, 7, 0, 9, 0, 8, 0, 7, 6, 7, 4, 9, 8, 0, 11, 5, 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then you circle it. $55. You have taken the lines in a different manner? No problem. 55, still you'll get 55. Finished with circling? Did you get answer? Got it? No? Still not? Then draw the lines again. No problem. By now you will become perfect with so many rehearsals. If somebody still has a problem, come back. You are okay? Hmm? Steps will be by and large same with little variations. So if there is any problem, you come back to me. I'll explain it again. For those who have got 55 as an answer, cross check the allocations. A2, B6, C3, D1, E4, F5. No? Different allocations? but the answer is same. Okay, no problem. Can you tell your answer? A12, A6. Okay, 1, 3. మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. జాబ్స్ 6 ఏకి J5, J3, J4, J2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. 6, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. 6, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. Twenty-seven, 33, 33, 45, 55. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, others conclude it. You draw in whatever manner, but the final answer should be 55. Finish? No, stuck up. He's doing. Take your own time, no problem. Till next week, I'll give one more problem. You don't do it, I'll do it in the class. No? Yeah, do one thing. Don't worry. Just try to solve it. In case if you're not able to, we'll again redo it in the class. But what we do, since time is a constraint now, take this question. This is unbalanced and maximization. Here what I wanted you to do, this is again a bit lengthy problem, so that's the reason I'm giving you as a homework. Here, now, first of all, I said it's unbalanced and maximization, right? Now the question arises, should I balance it first or convert maximization to minimization? So what you do, since you are doing at home for practice, you do both methods. First method, unbalanced you will balance, then maximization to minimization, then you will apply Hungarian method. Have you understood? Second method lo, first you convert maximization to minimization, after converting you balance it, and from there what will you do? You will apply Hungarian method. So try both the variations. In both variations your answer will be same, but you will understand by practice, and that will get registered in your mind. If at all if such problem comes in, what should we do first? Should we balance it or should we convert it? That lesson you'll learn. Okay, but as I said, for the previous problem the answer is 55. For those who have not done, don't leave it, complete it. 55 is the answer. If you're not able to get, then we'll do that and this in our next class. Is that okay? Still, if you are stuck up somewhere, you let me know, because unless until you are through with the first problem, I mean the one previous problem, you cannot do this. So if you have any queries, questions, you ask me here. So quickly, let us revise what we have done for theory. Today we talked about variations in assignment problem. Without looking to your notebook, can you tell me what are the different variations? First, maximization case. Minimization is already done. Maximization. Second one, I gave you homework also. Unbalanced. Third, problem with multiple optimal solution. Fourth, restricted, prohibited, conditional. Fifth, traveling salesman problem. You better note down that because that was a theory question again. What are the variations in assignment problem? This one. Write down this. You copied, but you're not answering. See, by default, as I said, I'm 100% sure you'll not do any revision after going back home. But still, if you are able to be active in the class, that will get registered in your mind. And as I said, this again gets repeated in our third group also. So you have to learn. There's no other go for it now. Okay. Once this topic is done, we'll even have a test also on this. Clear? So unbalanced, next class we'll do multiple optimal, or if at all if you have not done the homework, we'll do homework first. Then multiple optimal. I think next class, I think we'll be able to finish this topic. Provided conditions apply. I'm going a bit slow because the results will come and our strength also will improve further, right? So that's the reason I'm going very slow on this. But once your results are down, I think we have to catch up. Okay. So by then I have my own strategies to make you to do. Now I'm relaxing. So it doesn't mean that, I'm not checking your notebook. See, you can ask your students who have done last time. No, the only thing is if you don't do homework, what I do, I make you to solve it in the class, not one time, 25 times. So what is the moral of the story now? Do the problem at home. Yeah, if there is one more excuse, don't come to the class. And if you don't come to the class, I'll ask Prasad not to share this video with you. No? Right. Right. So don't have that torture. You are very smart students, I know. You'll do it. We'll stop it here for today. First, study note. If somebody wants to prepare, I'll ask Prasad to share the notes with you. Okay? We'll stop here.